This Align Right Realty property video is presented by David Willink. Oceanfront Condo Living. First floor access. Covered parking space 10 from front door. Rare find in this condo building. Panoramic views of the ocean from long, covered balcony with sliding doors from living room and master bedroom. Ceramic tile floors, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops in kitchen. Bathrooms recently renovated and painted. Open concept for living room, kitchen and dining room. Easy access to grocery stores, restaurants, cafes, dollar stores, department stores, etc. Unit suffered no damage from hurricanes. All approved assessments have been paid. 14-year resident, never rented. One of the most fantastic views overlooking the pool out over the ocean. Come and see the breathtaking view that can be